15 days into Scrum. Okay. If you are going to be trained in PSD for just 15 days in SDM, 15 days in Scrum, nothing. It was going over here. I was not getting anything there. What is the system? What actually my work is within myself. To do that in the system, to interact with my managers, have a very good rapport with your managers and with your colleagues as well. Okay, not in a very personal manner. If you are not very interactive, it's fine. I am also not that interactive. Okay, but you should have. You are spending 9 hours in your office, right? You need to have a better life there as well, a peaceful mind there as well. झगड़ा करके नहीं बैठना है उधर. नहीं हो गया झगड़ा हो गया. Now what? I can't work here. It's not like that. That is also a second home, right? You'll be there from Monday to Friday for 9 hours. You'll be there. So make a nice rapport, but still, if you see that this person is crossing their boundaries, right? There are people. Okay, if they are crossing your boundaries, what you can do? You can talk to your manager. You can talk to that person as well. Okay, if he or she tries to understand. If not, fine, let it go. Talk to your manager. What can be done? If not, talk to your HR. What can be done? I need a new project. If you are not feeling comfortable with your manager itself, okay, whom you are going to report now? To your HR. Let's see, I need a different project. This is not according to my mental health. It's affecting my mental health severely. I can't sustain in this project like this. I need a different project. Talk to your HR. Then the HR people will be helpful. They'll be point of your contact, right? If, and then, yeah, so now that's it. If you have any questions, please raise. Just raise it, it's fine.
The guide in second and third, how can they approach? How can they start to prepare for their job at a sector from now onwards? Is there any strategy?
Okay, from now on,
What
first
we
of
can do extra?
all, communication skills. Please work on that. Please work on that. Like you should know how to address yourself, how to communicate in a basic way, not like फाड़ू किताब नहीं चाहिए किसी को. It's not required even. Okay. You just need basic sentences, how to introduce yourself and your work, your hobbies, nothing else, just that. That will only be asked in the interviews, over here, and nothing else. Then work on your quant and aptitude. That's what will make the selection happen for you for the interview round, right? So work on that. It's very important. I have seen people they know it, but because they haven't brushed it properly, and they were not selected in the quant and aptitude round. They were left out there. And the people who were very average, and they cracked it because they had studied at that point of time when it was required. You need to brush it up. Those skills, everybody knows 10, 12 ka aptitude na. We have all studied maths. But if I give you a sum and you don't have that practice, you won't be able to do it in a proper amount of time. Time factor is very important in these exams. Okay, time factor is very important. You have a set of 100 questions and 100 minutes. How are you going to do? 1 minute for each, no? So you have to do that time management thing as well. So that's important. And yeah, these two things are which are very much important.
Very important.
Yeah, for the campus.
Is there any prerequisite जैसे कि language वगैरह?
Coding.
Coding is not that important, sir. It is
This is
not
the
that.
era of the artificial intelligence, machine learning era, right? So is it a prerequisite that some amount of knowledge should be known in this domain?
Machine language it is.
Uh-huh.
Yes, you should be aware of Python or some one language. See, if you understand one particular language, it's linked. Okay, you will be able to understand other languages. Be it Java, be it C++. C++ is very obsolete now. Don't go for it. If you're starting now, don't go for it. I won't recommend it. Java, Python, you can go for Python. It's nice for you guys if you're interested into languages. You know how to do a little bit of coding and all. So you can just work on your coding
They will
skills.
face campus placement there this semester, na? This student, they will face placement interviews in after 2 months. So what they can do now?
Don't learn languages now. Because it will require time. At least 6 months of time For electrical students, it will require. You're not CSIT student, no? You already know a language and you will pick it up very quickly. So just work on your resume. Whatever is there in your resume, okay, you should be by heart. Like if you have introduced a hobby as well, introduce that hobby of yours which you can explain and justify. Okay, don't introduce anything for which you don't have knowledge or which you cannot.
इस far-fetched नहीं करना कुछ
हाँ.
unnecessary
Keep it simple, no? Keep it simple. ठीक है, एक ही हॉबी, हाँ मेरी एक ही हॉबी है, नहीं है ज़्यादा हॉबी, ठीक है. But वो hobby you should justify it. I wrote in Infosys, I was asked about on my hobby. I wrote I like art and craft. Okay, and I'm a very creative person. I wrote that as a strength of mine. Now that examiner or interviewer asked me, okay, fine, this is a room. Okay, it was a small room, right? This is a room. Pick anything and create a very creative thing from here on. Now, if I'm not creative, how can I justify that? मेरा तो दिमाग ही नहीं चलेगा ना. एक तो उतना pressure. You're already in pressure and suddenly you're put in a situation where you know nothing. Okay. There was a toffee wrapper. I told I can make butterflies out of it, and then I can attach it as a string and we can decorate it, the corners of it. Fine, I justified that, right? That I'm a creative person, okay, I can do that. So just mention in your resume whatever you can justify. It's okay you don't have it, but you should be, that's why I'm saying you should be thorough with that. Each and every point, whatever you write, you're writing in your resume. Not even here, even in future as well. Say for example you have, you are into SAP, okay. Now you have worked on certain set of skills in SAP, like invoice smartphones, okay. You can put that. Just that interviewer will pick that, okay, you have worked on smartphones, tell me about it. Or he or she can give you a scenario there only, that I have a kind of business process, how are you going to tackle it? Now you should know about it, right? So whatever you are writing in your resume, you should be thorough about it. That's, so create and make your resume very properly. Scan it twice and thrice. आपस में exchange and your aptitude. Time management. बहुत ध्यान दीजिए. That is what can make selection happen. Okay, the first stage. It's going to, and your language and how you're carrying yourself in front of the interview, your posture. You need SATM. खेल रहे हैं आप. So it is that it makes them feel that you're nervous, that you're very nervous. They'll play with you then. You खेल जाएंगे. So don't give them that point. Okay.
and
does our resume affect the interviewer?
थोड़ा बहुत affect करते हैं.
कट ऑफ ही होती है ना, कट ऑफ
eligibility, if you qualify the eligibility, then that should not be much of a problem.
Like in Wipro, there were 2 slots. One was 75% plus. Okay, so they were directly given the interview round. We have to pass that exam, aptitude exam, and then we have to go. So yeah, don't mention it. Simple.
after
Don't
entering
mention.
all are same, no? Then after entering all
All are
same, all are
So
same.
the companies, they follow a particular pattern of question every year.
हाँ.
Like written में जो है वो भी written होता है. They follow a particular set of pattern, or this is like a random nature of the
It's
question.
random. It's
Very
very
random.
random. Yeah, there are multiple question banks available. Okay, on Google. Just search for it, and the answers may not be correct every time. तो ऐसा नहीं है घबराना यार मेरे तो मैच नहीं हो रहा क्या करना है कुछ नहीं आता. Don't feel that. They can also be wrong. Okay, so find out that question banks. That's it. या फिर वो
Question bank for quantitative, question bank for quant.
quants for acting. RS
For
Agarwal is
acting.
also like at my
Yeah, RS Agarwal.
at my time we used to take that RS Agarwal. We used to work matches for
But
us.
these days they have technical rounds.
Yeah.
Also. Particularly they ask some questions on core
What
computers.
about the branch also
With
knowledge
me,
of
it was not the case. Sir.
Not the case.
No, it wasn't. Like I had given 3 interviews. They, for some, yes, they did a technical round as well as HR round separately. But for me, it was a direct HR round after.
You got job to campus placement, na? Campus placement. So campus placement is very easy as to talk campus
It
placement.
is very
Don't
easy.
take it
Seriously,
lightly.
just
हाँ.
put in 50% of your effort, you'll get the opportunity. If you don't get a campus placement, then it will be a little bit tough. Seriously, it's going to be a little bit tough. Okay, so try grab this opportunity as fast as possible. इसको हल्के में मत करो. बाहर it's going to be difficult. Seriously, it's going to
Very
be
difficult.
She knows it.
हाँ.
She's my sister. She knows it.
बाहर बहुत difficult है. बाहर
Yeah,
बहुत
it's difficult.
हमारी है ना.
Okay, and you don't know. Yeah, sorry. It does play because the questions are being put on that. You'll let the interviewer know in your resume, right? So you should be thorough about it. See, electrical questions, you will be doing an electrical only, no? In 4, right? So it's fine. If unless and until you are going for an electrical company, you need not to worry much. You should be a little bit aware of what you have done there, what you have seen there. Okay, that's it.
Internship is very important.
Project work as well. Yes, that also will be there in your resume. Because see, yeah, sure. One, just there will be few points only as of now for you to put in your resume, right? Your internship that you have done, your project that you are working on, right? And then comes your strengths and hobbies and your 10th and 12th marks. That's it, right? So you need to be a little bit thorough on your like project, what you're doing. You should know. See, they won't be technicals in electrical department, right? You have that added advantage there, correct? You have the added advantage there, so you can play with it when it comes to that. But yes, so once what happened with for Wipro, there was an HR for me. He was not into electricals, he was just HR, right? So he told me that what is the difference between AC and DC? I told him. Then he told that what kind of supply comes into your home? It's AC. I told him. So, right? Now, what is the kind of supply and what's the amount in the metro station? Right? Ultimately, it's AC. Right? I think 23,000 volts AC, something of that sort. So I told him. Now, just to check my confidence at that point of time, he told, "Are you sure about it?" And he was having that laptop with him. "Are you sure about that?" I said, "Yes, I'm sure." "Are you seriously sure about that?" Because I'm looking over here. I said, "Yes, sir, I'm sure." So he told, "Okay, just prove it to me." I said, "Sir, I don't have my phone with me right now over here so that I can prove it. If you can give me some time, how much time do you need?" I told, "Sir, some amount of time." "No, tell me exact amount of time you need." Okay, "Okay, sir, give me 15 minutes. So he told, "Okay."
Shared her insights, explained बहुत अच्छा समझाया, solved all your queries, and again thankful to her. She was just like you. She was very sincere, disciplined, obedient student. सारे काम टाइम पे करना. Assignments, you should do assignment everything on time. हाँ, always she was sincere. Sincerity pays. Sincerity pays. Sincerity pay करती है लाइफ में. जो भी काम सिंसियरिटी करना है, ये नहीं कि उनके टाइम डाल दिया बाद में कर लेंगे, ऐसे ही है तो बोलते रहते हैं. सिंसियरिटी पेज इन एवरी वॉक ऑफ लाइफ. बीटेक में जॉब हर से काम आती है, लेकिन ए हैबिट, डेडिकेशन, डिटरमिनेशन. शी वाज सिंसियर, ओबीडिएंट, रिस्पेक्टफुल. शी नेवर मिसबिहेव्ड विद टीचर्स. ऑलवेज लिसनिंग टू केयरफुली, ओबीडिएंट. उल्टा नहीं बोलना, जो बोला कहना मानना, टाइम पे काम करना, हमेशा पोलाइटली बात करना. ये नहीं कुछ लोग बहस करते हैं, टीचर से आर्गूमेंट करते हैं, कहना नहीं मानते. तो ये चीज़ यहाँ कॉलेज की नहीं, लाइफ की हर जगह है. हंसने की बात नहीं है इसमें. कॉलेज में नहीं हर जगह काम आएंगे, थोड़े काम आएंगे. जो बोलता नहीं बोलता, वो हैबिट्स विल ओनली हेल्प यू ओनली. तुम्हारे काम आएंगे, हमारे काम नहीं आएंगी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू मी, आई एम सेइंग टू हर. इसकी हैबिट्स, इसकी काम, हमारी हैबिट हमारे काम आएंगी ना. जो हैबिट होगी वो हमेशा काम आएंगी. तो होल लाइफ विल बी हेल्पफुल टू हर. इवन नाउ इन जॉब आल्सो, सिंसियरिटी, डेडिकेशन इज पेइंग हर. और फ्यूचर में दोबारा बुलाएंगे अदिति को हम, एंड शी विल एक्सपेक्ट शी विल टेक अ टाइम आउट Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
अभी तो मेरे को कुछ काम करने पड़ते हैं, ठीक
बोलो।
है, जो कि मेरे को नहीं करने हैं, बहुत टीडियस है, वो मेरा काम भी नहीं है, बट करना पड़ता है।
बोलो।
क्लाइंट बोल रहा है करना है, ठीक है, उसको नहीं समझ आ रहा। क्लाइंट इतने भोंदू होते हैं कभी-कभी कि भाई उनका जॉब भी आपको करना पड़ जाता है।
डाउन टू अर्थ है। अगर मैं नहीं मैं तो बड़ा ईगो होती है, मैं तो पूरा काम ही करूंगा मैं वो हूँ, आई एम सीनियर, आई विल नॉट डू दैट वर्क।
करना पड़ता है।
Yes. Okay. So now all of you go to your classes, you know, और